Hi, my name is Rebecca Trimble, and I am going to show you a little demo of a class I'll be teaching at HOOT. This is Toscana. It's 11 by 14 canvas. It's a nice little Tuscan scene, and this is taught Thursday afternoon. So like I said, we'll be painting on a stretched canvas. We start with this nice sky background, darker at the top, lighter at the bottom, and we'll be working on landscape techniques with using acrylic paints. So we'll start with the clouds, and for the clouds I use a scumbler brush, which is a round domed bristle brush. I take my brush, we're going to load it in your white paint or your light colored paint, wipe it off, and then just start very softly dry brushing these clouds on into the sky. So you just start making these circular motions, and you can start forming these really nice cloud shapes. You can start to see, and then these clouds are really full and heavy. They're not very transparent, they're very opaque clouds. So you can see how we start, the clouds are fairly transparent, and we build up layer upon layer to get them to that dense, heavy cloud structure. So you just load your brush into paint again, and you can start darkening them up. And you just really work this all the way across. Now, I'm painting upside down, so it's a little bit harder to see what shape I'm getting here. But you can turn out some very nice clouds doing this. And then we'll also be learning some really nice foliage techniques. For these tall, thin ones in the front there, I use a deerfoot brush, and then we base this in. Get my green paint with a dark green, and then we use a medium green and go into a light green to get the final highlights. So we take our deerfoot brush, pounce it in your color, and you're just going to pounce on the shape of the tree. Again, I'm painting upside down, so it might not be a very up and down straight tree. Now you can see these are kind of like a spiral shaped tree, you know, topiary trees that go down like that. So that's kind of the look we're going for. And to do that, so I got my tree based in roughly. You take your brush into your lighter paint, and you just start to make these little spirals. Kind of hard to see in the DVD, I know, or on the video. And there, that'll start giving you this topiary, so you can kind of see, that start giving you the topiary spiral look that we're going for. And the same, we're going to be using a flat bristle brush to form the grass and the other tree as well. It's a good, nice landscape technique done with acrylics, so we don't have to worry about oils having to dry and stuff. So it's a very nice class for that. You can learn some good landscape techniques using just a few brushes. Brushes I will have for sale in class, or you can borrow the brushes that I have so you can get all the techniques you need to get done. I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, you can email me at rebecca@rebeccatrimble.com. I'll see you soon. Thanks.